Hi folks, welcome to Tips for Working with Graphite Pencils, a business card demo. In this demo, I'll show you my favorite no-shine graphite black as black pencil, the Kimberly 525 Series 9XXB graphite pencil from General Pencil Company. I'll go over why I consider it to be the best graphite pencil that I have been working with and teaching with for many years. It's important to note that I work with many different pencil brands, some that I have found on my own and some recommended to me by other artists, art stores, or my students. I love the qualities of everything I work with. Each one brings a different element to my drawing, and as a teacher, I thoroughly enjoy sharing all that I have learned over the years when working with this fun medium. I'm going to start by doing a drawing of a sphere with various value ranges using a regular set of graphite pencils. Then I'll draw the same sphere using a set of pencils from General Pencil with the 9XXB. Also, General Pencil Company did not ask me to do this review. Let's be honest here. My followers are rarer than a unicorn doing cartwheels, so no sponsorship at all. Rest assured, my graphite talks come from a place of pure affection for this medium and my zest for sharing it with all you pencil enthusiasts out there. With step 1, I started the drawing of the sphere above with an 8B pencil and laid down a layer to set up the shadows in the cast shadow. I'll then add in a 4B and a 2B to keep building up the value ranges and create the form of the sphere. I've also added an area where the highlight is as well. It's important to remember that there are lots of drawing pencils on the market that do a remarkable job of allowing the graphite artist to attain deepest blacks with rich velvety finishes. I've tried many pencils over the years, and the one that I seem to always reach for is the Kimberly 9XXB, which I'm going to demonstrate in the sphere below. In the second sphere, I'm going to be drawing with a number of General Pencil Kimberly 525 series pencils, including the wonderful 9XXB graphite pencil. It has a consistent matte finish with a smooth laydown and blends well with other graphite pencils and value ranges. Let's take a closer look at this pencil in action with some other Kimberly pencils, and I'll tell you why I found this one to be the best. The General Pencil Company website has classified the 9XXB pencil as a graphite pencil. For me, this is important as a lot of matte black pencils are carbon based. I did try to find out what the formula was for the pencil, if it has a mix of graphite, binder, which is clay, and carbon, or was it all carbon, as many black drawing pencils are? Or was there a special chemical process material that they added to the pencil? What I found on their website was a wonderful little description for their 525 series graphite pencils, and in addition, a special comment about the 9XXB. On the General Pencil website, they have Kimberly Graphite number 525 series. In the description, it's written, "Extra smooth, premium drawing graphite pencils made from our family formula known for its smoothness, available in 21 degrees from 9H to 9XXB. And there's a special comment about the 9XXB. Kimberly Graphite number 525 9XXB, special formula premium graphite drawing pencil, extra soft, extra smooth, extra black matte graphite, our darkest graphite pencil." So why do I like this pencil so much? The pencil lays down beautifully. It's smooth and doesn't stick to the paper, as many pencils do that have a carbon-based formula. It consistently blends well with other graphite pencils or a blending stump. And more importantly, it does not create that gray graphite shine. When mixed with other graphite pencils, it also helps to cut down on the shine of those pencils. When drawing with graphite pencils, keep in mind that laying down light layers of graphite is the best way to stop too much graphite shine. Pressing too hard creates a burnishing effect that creates shine and a gray image. There are many ways artists can create work with graphite and how to avoid the shine. But for now, the 9XXB is definitely my go-to pencil for getting those velvety blacks. We can definitely see the differences between the top sphere and this sphere. There's a lot of blacks going on the bottom one. And it's not that I'm necessarily doing anything different or anything special. It's just the pencil that's doing it. So even when I turn it, you can see there's a lot of shine on the top one and not so much on the bottom one. An overall wonderful pencil that if you don't have already, I believe all graphite artists need to get. You can see the difference, and that is fantastic for all graphite artists. I love that. So thanks so much for joining me, and happy drawing.